The Instant Pot was invented about 10 years ago by Robert Wang in Ottawa, Canada. It is a crock pot, pressure cooker, heater, rice cooker, yogurt maker, all in one. My objective today is to try out the yogurt maker. The instructions for making yogurt are in the instruction manual, not the recipe book, and they are vague. The first page talks about pasteurizing the milk to kill pathogens and bacteria and denature milk protein so they are more easily absorbed by the body. Now, I'm all for pasteurization, but where I come from, the milk comes pre-pasteurized. So unless it is a raw milk or milk from an unknown source, and I strongly advise against consuming milk from an unknown source, you should be able to skip this step. You do want to heat your milk to 46 degrees Celsius. You can see here that mine was a bit warm, so just let it cool down to 146. The bacteria seems to be temperature sensitive, so make sure you use the thermometer. When the milk is the right temperature, and you can use any kind of milk, from whole milk to skim, mix in some active bacteria culture. You can get that from any store-bought yogurt you like, but make sure it says active. I put in a tablespoon. The instructions are vague as to how much milk and starter culture to add, so I went with 1 liter and 1 tablespoon. You hit yogurt on the machine, and it says to set your fermentation time, but the instructions give no guidance as to how long. I opt for the default, which is 8 hours. That seems plenty long. 8 hours later, we have curd. Now, the instructions don't tell you this part, but you have to drain the whey off your yogurt curd, most effectively through a cheesecloth. I like a firm yogurt, so I strain most of the whey out. And I get a cup or so of some very nice yogurt.